Hello world, Shelly here, and recently in the comments we were talking about how I have switched from shaving my face with tinkle razors to shaving my face with men's facial razors, and I love the change. It is so much easier, so much faster. I am so much less worried about shaving off an eyebrow. I still use the tinkle razors to get, the hairs in between my eyebrows and the little baby fuzz around my eyebrows. So there is still a little fear of taking my eyebrows off unintentionally, but for the most part, I am way converted to shaving with a men's razor. I've never tried shaving my face with my women's leg razors because my thought was that the handle angles would be different than your face, and I just thought that shaving your face with a razor made for your face would be the best. Plus the pink tax, you pay more for the same item that's designed for women versus men. So you guys were asking what I'm using and how I'm doing it. I'm going to show you. These are the razors I bought, the Schick Extreme 2 Sensitive. I just went with some cheap disposable razors to start out with because I didn't know if I was going to like this whole process. I didn't want to go super cheap on them because I wanted a decently nice razor, but I didn't want to commit to anything very expensive. So I'm going to take one of these out. They are just, your typical disposable razors. Now that I know I like a men's facial razor, I will likely, once I finish these up, be investing in a keeper as opposed to disposables. I also purchased some men's shave cream, and it's a shave gel actually. I went with the Nivea Men Sensitive, and I love it. It smells good. So basically, when I shave my face, I grow more hair on this side of my body than on this side. Like, this side of my face has barely any peach fuzz. This side is a friggin' forest. So I don't know what's up with that, but I do take more care on the side of my face because there's more hair over here for whatever reason. Maybe it's because I sleep on this side. I don't know. I just take a tiny bit of shave gel. Oh, that's going to be too much. It comes out. It comes out, yo. And apply liberally. I do go all the way up to under my eyes, around my Elvis sideburns. I have never watched videos on how a man shaves their face or how you're supposed to do it. So I could very well be doing this all wrong. All I know is it's fast and easy, and it makes my peach fuzz go away, which helps my foundation lay nicely. It helps exfoliation, and I have too much shave cream. Remove the cap from your razor. Generally speaking, you want to shave with the grain of your hair. But today's modern razors, if you've got one of those multi-blade razors, most of them have skin protectants and things that you could shave against the grain. Shave whatever way is more comfortable for you. Usually I shave with the grain, and so you just kind of go in. Now what I do is I try to hold my Elvis sideburns out of the way. Not really applying pressure, very gentle. much it. Sometimes I'll shave my forehead, but I usually save that for the tinkle razors and just do that far less often just to clean up the baby fuzz around my eyebrows and things. But that's pretty much it. Then I rinse my face. I do moisturize and do my skincare usually after I shave my face. I already did my skincare, so I probably just washed it all off. But yeah, that's it. And then your face is as smooth as a baby's bottom. There you have it. That is how I shave my face. I really do like these razors. I will, like I said, I'm going to invest in a more permanent razor. I just don't want to generate that much waste with the disposables, but these are a great razor, I would say. Great for travel, great for just finding out if you would like to continue this whole process. I want to say they were like $6 to $7 for the pack of 12. I will link whatever I can find down below. But what do you think? You gonna try a men's razor? Do you shave your face at all? Are you afraid to shave your face? There's nothing to be afraid of, really. It's just, and my skin is so much happier. Like, I love my makeup right after I've shaved my face. It's so much better. So glad that I just disregarded the stigmas of women shaving their face and go for it. But of course, you do you. If you are not comfortable with it, don't do it. That's all there is to it. If you enjoy these kinds of how-to videos, if you would like me to keep making more, give me a thumbs up down below. Let me know in the comments, what would you like to see a how-to video on? Give me your ideas. And as always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over skincare with me this time. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.